Welcome back to the channel. If you love bold design, extreme capability, and luxury that's built to dominate the road, today's review is going to blow your mind. This is the 2026 coolest RV metallic beast camper, a rolling fortress that mixes brutal strength with high-end comfort. Let's dive in. From the outside, the metallic beast camper looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. The full metallic body finish gives it an armored industrial vibe, while sharp lines and wide proportions instantly announce its presence. Massive off-road tires, raised suspension, and reinforced bumpers make it clear this RV isn't afraid of dirt, snow, or rocky trails. LED light bars, integrated side steps, and rugged storage compartments add both style and serious functionality. Step inside, and the story completely changes, from rugged to refined. The interior is designed like a luxury apartment on wheels. You're greeted with premium leather seating, brushed metal accents, and ambient LED lighting that sets the mood day or night. The living area feels open and modern, with smart storage built into every corner. The kitchen comes fully equipped with high-end appliances, a solid countertop, and enough space to cook comfortably on long trips. Under the hood, the metallic beast camper lives up to its name. Power comes from a heavy-duty engine designed for towing, climbing, and long-distance travel without breaking a sweat. The advanced drivetrain and all-terrain capability allow this RV to handle highways, deserts, mountains, and everything in between. With upgraded suspension and smart traction systems, the ride stays smooth and controlled even on challenging terrain. This is true mechanical muscle built for adventure. Now let's talk price. The 2026 coolest RV metallic beast camper is expected to start around $180,000, depending on customization and optional upgrades. That price reflects its premium build quality, advanced engineering, and luxury features. For buyers looking for a unique RV that combines extreme toughness with upscale living, this camper delivers serious value. When it comes to safety, this RV doesn't play around. It comes equipped with multiple airbags, advanced braking systems, stability control, and traction management for off-road confidence. Driver assist features like blind spot monitoring, rear-view cameras, and parking sensors help keep everything under control, even with its massive size. Strong construction and reinforced panels add an extra layer of protection for peace of mind on every journey. To sum it all up, the 2026 coolest RV metallic beast camper is not just an RV, it's a statement. It's built for explorers who want power, luxury, and unmistakable presence all in one package. Whether you're crossing continents or camping off-grid in style, this beast is ready for the challenge. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest rides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep the adventure rolling.